Hey guys, I'm here to do a Bath and Body Works semi-annual, just a small haul because I did not get that much because my Bath and Body Works sucks. So I just went in there just to go ahead and use my coupon because I doubt if I go back or whatever. So let me show you guys what I got. So first, I picked up this True Blue Spa, and it's the Sugar 60-second manicure hand scrub. I've never seen this before, so I thought I would give this a try. So here's that. Let me see. Oh, it smells good. Y'all, it smells kind of like some grapefruit or something. It smells really good. It smells really citrusy, if that's a word. But yeah, that smells really good. So I picked this up, and this actually was sitting at the front when I was getting ready to check. They had just about all of their True Blue stuff sitting at the front when I was getting ready to check out. So I had to hurry up and look through there. So I picked this up, and this was $14.50, but it was 50% off. So I got that. And then I also picked up the True Blue Spa Glycolic Acid Cracked Heel Treatment Spa Size. So I picked this up. And this was $18.50, and it was 50% off also. Let me see. So here's that. And it doesn't have a smell to it. So I'll use that when I do my pedicures. And then next I picked up the True Blue Spa Mango Butter. And this is my first time being able to ever get this. I always see people getting it, and I've never seen it in my Bath and Body Works. So I was happy to get this. And this retails for $16.50, and it was 50% off also. And it's the 24-hour moisture body butter. I love just any kind of body butter, period. Oh, it smells good. I probably should have got 2 of these. That smells good. I don't know, y'all might go back and give me another one of these. But yeah, so there's that. And then also, I picked up this hydrating body wash. I've never used this before. I've seen a couple of people get this, so I picked this up. I actually picked up 2 of these. I don't know. I'll have to try this out to see. It smells good. Smells really good. But anyway, this was $13.50, and this was 75% off. So I grabbed 2. So I grabbed 2 of those. And then I picked up this Underwater Oasis body cream. I love their body creams. I prefer their body creams over the lotions. So I picked this up, and this was 75% off, and it retails for $13.50. So I picked that up, and that smells really good. I actually bought one of those last year. So I got that. And then, yeah, I was surprised they had the 1 in a Millions for 75% off. And this is like one of my favorite body creams. So I picked up 3 of these. When I saw that, I had to hurry up and get that. So I picked up 3 of those. And then next, I picked up the Gingham perfume. The lady said they had these in the bag, and they didn't know that these were ringing up half price. So these retails for $39.50, and they were 50% off. So this is the Gingham. And they said these, she said these are the parfums. So, and these are in the 1.7 fluid ounces. So, yes. So, here it is. So, there it is. Cute little bottle. And I love the gingham. Oh, it smells so good. So, that's one of my another one of my favorite scents. So I picked that up. And then I also got the Japanese Cherry Blossom. I love this scent also. So there that is. And they also had End of the Night, the Dahlia, and I think that's it as far as perfume wise. I think that was it or whatever. So y'all, this is all that I got from Bath and Body Works. Like I said, I did not get that much. A lot of the scents, like the Christmas scents, I wasn't too fond of. And like I said, my store did not have a whole lot out. And then some of those scents I already have. And then I'm just not supposed to be buying stuff just to be buying it. And then just to be doing a video. It's just not that serious for me. So, and then I just don't have a lot more room left to be buying stuff. So I just bought the stuff that I had been wanting. And that's really about it. I may go back in there and check every now and then to see if they add any new scents or whatever, because I know the sale goes on until like the 17th of January or something like that, the middle of January. So I may go back in there like next week sometime to see if they put out anything new, but that's it. So I got all of this, and I used my $10 for 40 coupon, and then I had a $25 gift card. So I got all of this for like $55, something like that, because my total at first was like 90 something dollars. So I figure I think I did pretty good for the stuff that I got. And I also went by Victoria's Secret because I had a birthday coupon to use, because my birthday is New Year's Day. So my birthday is coming up. So I went ahead and used my coupon at Victoria's Secret. It was like $15 off any purchase. And they had their perfumes on sale. So I decided to get this one right here. And this is the Victoria's Secret Love Me. And it was on sale for like $24.95 or $24.99, something like that. And I had $15 off. So I ended up getting this for $9.99 and $10.81 with tax. So, because this retails for $57.99. And it was on sale for $24.99. So this is what I got, and it does smell good. And this is my first time seeing this one, so I guess this is a new scent. And they didn't have that many to choose from as far as sale wise, so I just snatched this one up real fast. And y'all, I stay in a small town, so all we have is just one Victoria's Secret and one Bath and Body Works. So I don't have the luxury of going to 5 and 6 different Bath and Body Works like some of y'all. But here's the bottle. I don't know if y'all can see it that good, but there's the bottle. Super duper cute and smells good. And this is the 1.7 ounce, fluid ounce. So a nice little size. I don't like to really get too many perfumes in big sizes because I might just get tired of the scent and still have a bunch left. But anyway, yeah, just want to show you guys my little small haul. And also, I went to TJ Maxx a while back, and I had just picked up just one thing, and it was the Body Shop Hawaiian, I don't know how to pronounce this, it's K-U-I cream. Here it is, and it was $7.99. I had bought this after I had did another video or whatever, so I just want to show y'all that. And this is like a big container. Y'all, this stuff right here smells so freaking good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells good. It's like a, I don't know, kind of put you in mind of one of those Vaseline lotions. Anyway, it smells really, really good. So I did want to show you guys that, because I haven't even been in TJ Maxx or Ross or anything like that. So anyway, just want to show you guys that. And like always, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.